In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your GTA 5 online career. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, say you want a fresh start, level 1, and want to grind your way back up again. There's two ways that you can do this. The first way that you can do this is by obviously using a new Rockstar Games account. Essentially, just unlink your current Rockstar Games account. If you're on a console, just go to the Rockstar Games website on your phone or PC, or if you're on a PC, just do the exact same thing. Go to that Rockstar Games website, log into your account, and unlink your PlayStation or Xbox account. Whenever you launch GTA 5 again, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new Rockstar Games account, which will give you a completely fresh GTA Online profile. However, that's not it. You can also just open up the pause menu, go to the online section right here, and scroll down to the either swap character option, or the manage character option, just like so. When you select this, you'll see a confirmation. Go ahead and confirm this, and from here it's going to take you to the character selection screen, and from here you just need to go ahead and swipe over the right and you'll have the option to customize a new character. Whenever you do go ahead and customize it fully, you'll be able to start GTA Online again from the very beginning with them. But that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.